Fiat, a century of Italian automotive innovation. Brought to you by Untold Fact from Morali Edutech. Curious about the manufacturer of Fiat vehicles? Let's delve into the origins of the name Fiat, which stands for Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, translating to Italian Automobile Factory, Turin. Turin, Italy, the birthplace of the original Fiat factory, continues to be significant as it houses the Fiat Museum, celebrating over 120 years of the brand's rich history. Today, Fiat is a key player in the Fiat Chrysler Automobile's original equipment manufacturer group, overseeing the production of vehicles from Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Ram, in addition to Alfa Romeo. When Giovanni Agnelli established Fiat in 1899, the Italian automobile industry was still in its infancy. The introduction of their inaugural model, the Fiat 4HP, also known as the 3.5 CV, played a crucial role in shaping the distinctive automotive heritage and character of the nation. By 1910, Fiat had emerged as the leading manufacturer in Italy. Fast forward 22 years from that initial modest factory in Turin, Fiat inaugurated the expansive Legnato factory, which would serve as a central hub for the company for many years. In the years that followed, Fiat solidified its position as a dominant force in the Italian automotive manufacturing landscape, expanding its operations with additional plants in Cassino, Lecce, Termoli, Vasto, Termini Imerese, Brindisi, and Sulmona. Fiat, officially known as Fabbrica Italiana Automobili Torino, is often recognized for its compact vehicles, yet it stands as a formidable force in the automotive industry. With a global presence in production and strategic partnerships, Fiat leads the market in both Italy and Brazil, ranking as the fourth largest automaker in Europe and the 11th largest worldwide. What factors contributed to its rise as an industry giant? In 1902, the Fiat 24-horsepower model triumphed in the Sassi Superga uphill race, while Agnelli drove an 8-horsepower Fiat during the second Italian car tour, achieving a record time. Shortly thereafter, Fiat established the Fiat Automobile Company in the United States, where it gained a reputation as a luxury brand. The company continued to grow, diversifying into marine engines, commercial vehicles, trucks, and trams. Prior to the onset of the war, Fiat secured victories in several international races and introduced the Fiat Zero, the first small displacement car. Throughout the First World War, Fiat played a significant role in supporting the Allies by manufacturing weapons, aircraft, and vehicles. Among its notable clients was the British Post Office, which utilized Fiat's innovative 1F van model, a pioneering design at the time. Its more durable counterpart, the 2F, became a vital asset for transporting personnel and supplies during the conflict, earning its place in service with the British Royal Navy due to its exceptional performance. Following the war, Italy faced a crisis during which Fiat was temporarily under the control of workers affiliated with the Italian Socialist Party. However, this turmoil was short-lived, and by 1923, Fiat resumed automobile production and began to show signs of recovery. Among the new models introduced was the 4-seat 509. By 1925, Fiat had secured an impressive 87% share of the Italian automotive market. Following the war, Fiat shifted its focus towards small enterprises instead of large corporations. The company introduced rear-wheel drive and diesel engines in its passenger vehicles, ultimately replacing the 600 Topolino with the new 600 model, which achieved sales of 1 million units. In 1966, control of Fiat returned to the Agnelli family. As previously noted, they had been barred from owning the company until 1963. The vehicle launched during this period was the 850. It was soon succeeded by the 127, which became the first Fiat model equipped with front-wheel drive and earned the title car of the year in 1971. Fiat was evolving into a significant industrial and economic force. By refining their production processes with the implementation of Robogate, a versatile robotic system, Fiat positioned itself to compete effectively with other automotive brands. During the 1980s and 1990s, Fiat expanded its portfolio by acquiring Lancia, Ferrari, Alfa Romeo, and Maserati, ultimately forming Fiat Auto SPA. The early 1980s marked the introduction of the Fiat Panda, followed by the Uno, which showcased a comprehensive redesign of both electronics and materials. In 1989, the Tipo, a compact family hatchback, was launched and earned the title of Car of the Year. Subsequent successes included the Punto, which also received the Car of the Year accolade in 1995, and the Bravo, awarded the same honor in 1996. Nevertheless, the 1990s presented challenges for Fiat, primarily due to increased market competition. In response, Fiat shifted its focus to the international market, establishing a reputation as a manufacturer of affordable vehicles. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles was established in 2014 following the merger of Fiat SPA into a newly formed holding company, which is notably registered in the Netherlands for tax advantages. The company operates primarily through two subsidiaries, FCA Italy and FCA US, the latter formerly known as Chrysler LLC. The FCA portfolio includes brands such as Alfa Romeo, Chrysler, Dodge, Fiat, Maserati, Jeep, and Ram. Although it previously owned Ferrari, that brand became independent in January 2016. Today, Fiat vehicles remain a familiar presence in almost all countries, and FCA ranks as the seventh largest automaker globally. The Agnelli family continues to hold a stake in FCA through their investment firm, EXOR SPA. Thanks for spending your valuable time with us. Stay tuned for more informative videos. Please share and subscribe to our channel.